My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup, where I talk about everything from music to makeup, mostly makeup though. But today's video is going to be my first SHEIN haul. Now, I have heard of SHEIN for a while, and I've always wanted to order from there, but was just very hesitant. But what really pushed me over the edge was whenever I upload like a wish haul or something, and I'm looking for tags for my video, I keep seeing SHEIN haul as, you know, being something that's very popular. So apparently a lot of people want to see SHEIN hauls, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. And I placed a good size order, and it actually got here quite quickly. I don't know why I was expecting it to be like Wish or something, but yeah, it got here in a decent time. So if you are interested in seeing what I got from SHEIN, then keep on watching. I got fashion, jewelry. Those are the things I mostly got, and then a few odds and ends. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and you know, just please subscribe. It won't kill you. It won't hurt you. I promise. Okay, let's get into it. So, I don't know. I'm not gonna keep this. The first thing I got is this is a little jewelry thing for bracelets or watches. So, I mean, it's clearly not the best made. It's starting to, like, the fabric's starting to come up on the side, but hey, I forget how much I paid for it, but I will put it on the screen. So I guess I shouldn't expect much. I mean, it'll do the job. And this box was all messed up, but this is shit. I just like stuck myself with it. Is a little portable sewing machine. I don't know, hopefully I'll be able to figure out how to work it. Not stab myself again. Okay, so I got a good amount of jewelry. Let me get into some of that. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute are these? Oh, I'm in love. I almost want to put them on. Let's see what one looks like. Oh my gosh, how freaking adorable is that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, let me try on another pair, so I don't want to make a decision so irrationally. Let me try them all on first. Oh, look at that. All right, let's try these on. You guys know I love my pinks. I love hearts too. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Oh, yes. Alright, next we got, that wasn't a jewelry. So next we have these little dangly butterflies. That might go with, alright, these ones are so adorable, but they don't really go with this outfit, so you're voted off the island. Oh, those are really cute. They're not too dangly. They're like, I feel like they're just a very good length. Those are that might be my top one. You know, I love my bright colors, my neons, especially green and pink. I mean, I'm not gonna try them on because I know I'm not gonna wear them, but okay. I think I'm gonna go with the butterflies. Oh, then I'm about to take them off. But yeah, and I know that these were very inexpensive, and they're adorable. Oh wait, oh, look at that. I may be blind, but I'll figure it out eventually. I got this, mainly for my wigs. I'm getting so many. I need something to hang them on. You could use this for anything though, like towels or whatever you want. Bras, belts. Show it to them the right way, Natalie. And these are actually, oh no, I thought they would, like, it would turn completely to the side, but it doesn't. It's a little adhesive on the back of these. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, and this one, whatever. Let's see now. Oh, yes. This is a sunglass holder for in your car. Let me get some sunglasses. And this is nice too because it holds 2 pairs. So you just like open it up and then, actually I don't know what you do. I've never done it before. This is what I think you do. Yeah, and then it, okay. Let me, and then you just hook it on to your visor. Look at that. How cool is that? Because I have so many freaking pairs of sunglasses, probably like every other woman out there. Alright. I don't even know what that is for. So, I don't know what this is. If it's what I think it is, I thought I was ordering a curtain. This is a strand of beads. So, I don't know. This is really freaking cool. Yes, I'm gonna be trying all this on. How freaking cool is that? Silver crocodile. Gold butterfly. Got this like clear and gold PVC belt. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is a dress, which I will try on, so I'm not going to spend too much time going over it because I will do that after I try it on, so I can give you my full opinion. Oh, this is another dress. Cute. It's probably another dress. If you guys have been around my channel for a minute, you know me, I think you know I love dresses. I just think they're like more comfortable than jeans. People think jeans are casual. I think jeans are freaking so uncomfortable. So cute. Okay, I'm excited to try them on. Let's get her done. That is so not me. Alright, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna try the belt on real quick, and then I have to go because I actually have a nerve ablation today in my back, and I am 99.9% sure that my mom forgot about it. I need a driver because I have to be sedated, and without a driver they won't do my procedure, so I'm gonna go have to hunt her down. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this belt. I hope it fits. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Oh, hold on. Okay, next is the black butterfly. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. I really like that. Oh. Okay, so my mom definitely did forgive me for my nerve ablation, but I found her and I got it done. So let's finish this SHEIN haul. Okay, so it looked more of like a neon green online, but let's try her on and see how she looks. Okay, so here is the dress. I actually really like it. The slit is a little, I don't know, I just wish this would be attached because I'm afraid that if I move in a certain way, I'm going to show my goodies, but
I really like it. Alright, so next, I also really like that all of the items come in their own little plastic bag. So next we have this like leopard cutout dress. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is definitely way too small. I'm pretty sure I got this in an extra large. I believe the one I tried on before was an extra large as well. I'll put it up on the screen, but yeah, this is way too small. Alright, moving on. Next is this tie-dye like cutout dress. I'm really excited to try this one, so I will be back. Okay, so I was wrong about the sizes. Actually, all of the dresses I've tried on, including this one, have been a size large. I ordered it based off of the sizing chart, but I should have definitely sized up. This is super cute and it does fit. I think I would have been more comfortable with an extra large, but yeah, just keep that in mind when ordering from there. Okay, this is another tie-dye dress, and it has like a crisscross backing. What size did I get? Okay, I did get this one in an extra large, so I will be back. Okay, this fits a lot better in the extra large. Not all of their clothes do come in extra large, so maybe those other dresses were only available in large. I don't remember, but yeah, I would definitely recommend sizing up despite what the size chart says. But I really like this one. It's super comfortable and super cute too. Loving the back. So I also got this wrap skirt. So I don't feel like doing all that. I'm just gonna try it on over this. So this is a size large, but hopefully since it's a wrap dress, it will still fit okay, or a wrap skirt, I mean. Oh yeah, it does. I've been wanting a skirt like this for a while. I really, really like this. And then I ordered, my best friend and I are going to be sharing V from Clueless. So I've been trying to find a V-neck sweater to wear with my Cher outfit. So I ordered a couple from SHEIN. So there's this one, which might be a little baggy for my outfit. Hers is more like form-fitted. Yeah, that's gonna be too baggy for it. This one, however, might just do the trick. Oh yeah, that is gonna be perfect. I almost want to try the outfit on so you guys can see. I'm gonna do it. I'll be back. Yeah, so this is perfect. This was my favorite outfit of Cher's and Clueless. And yes, so I got like the perfect shoes to go with it. I just need the knee-high socks. Okay, but these shoes I got from AliExpress. It's bizarre. Okay, so they have the strap on it, but the buckle like isn't attached. I am so confused. like how I'm supposed to tie it. Like, what? Yeah, so I might have to get different shoes. But other than that, is this not like the perfect recreation of her outfit? Alright guys, so that was everything I got from SHEIN. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys in my next video.